Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to verify crypto on PayPal. Firstly, open PayPal to log to your account. Go to the crypto section of your PayPal app or website. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Then tap or click the transfers button, which looks like a small arrow, then select receive. If prompt, complete any identity verification steps. This is typically a one-time process. This unique wallet address will be generated. You can either scan the QR code or copy the address to send to the person or app that will send the crypto to your PayPal account. Double check everything and be aware that PayPal does not charge a fee for receiving crypto, but network or sender fees may apply. Each transaction will generate a new address for privacy reasons, so ensure always use the correct one for each transfer. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.